Hey, I've got a diagnostic tip for you that's going to help you out in this age of coronavirus. A lot of customers out there are aggressively cleaning their vehicles to prevent the transmission of the virus. The one area they really go after really hard is the steering wheel and also the center console. Either now or in the future, or probably for the next 6 months, you're going to start to see failures where switches no longer actuate a component. It may be the turn signals, it may be the cruise control button, or the button for the hazards. But they'll stop working, and it'll be a diagnostic conundrum. We all know that switches hardly ever fail in the dash. It's either a relay or a short circuit in the wiring harness. But on some of these vehicles, it's actually going to be the switch that fails. And sometimes it can be the master switch on the steering column that has the turn signals and the wiper, and also the horn. What happens is the customer gets a little too aggressive with their wipes, or they spray down the wheel with a heavy-duty antibacterial solution. That solution gets into the wiring harness and the connector, and also the switch itself, and the switch stops working. What is your diagnostic approach to these problems? First of all, get a scan tool and actuate the button to see if it changes in the module that's controlling it. Then from there you can assess if the switch is working or if it's not. And also with a bidirectional control, you can actuate a component like the windshield wipers or even the horn to know that the circuit is still good. Unfortunately, the only solution for a lot of these problems is to replace the switch or the part of the wiring harness. So just remind your customers that they may be killing the coronavirus, but they're killing the switches and some of the wiring harness on their vehicle. Make sure that they know they should not clean the dashboard and the switches with a very aggressive antibacterial chemical. And if they do, use this technique. Take the towel, spray it on the towel, and then wipe down the area. Spraying the switches and the steering wheel, well, you're only going to create more and more problems for the vehicle. If the customer is using wipes, sometimes the wetness of the wipe can vary depending on where it's positioned inside the roll. If it's a brand new set of wipes, well, those first few that you pull out, well, they're going to be very, very wet. And if they rub down a portion of the vehicle, well, some of that solution can make it into the switch. You don't want to be discouraging the customer not to clean their vehicle, because when a clean vehicle comes to your shop, it's a lower risk to your technicians from getting a virus, a cold, or anything else from anything inside the vehicle. Just remind them to do it the right way and do not get overly aggressive with some of these antibacterial solutions. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.